Hi everyone, this is Ankita Srivastav and today we have with us OnePlus 7. OnePlus made quite a hype launching the 7 Pro, but OnePlus 7 is quite a good phone in the price range it is in. OnePlus 7 comes with two variants, that is 6GB and 8GB RAM with 128GB and 256GB internal storage. It comes with two colors, that is red and mirror grey. We have got ourselves the mirror grey version with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. But the base variant with 6GB RAM is quite good because it's only priced 33,000 and is on sale on Amazon from 4th of July. Now let us see what is inside the box. The box is same as the 7 Pro and we get few specifications like the color and the variant at the end. Now let us open the box. We get pretty the same thing in OnePlus as the 7 Pro. We have here the basic TPU case, which is almost same which we get in the 7 Pro. Now along with it, we also have the SIM ejector tool, a basic pamphlet about the specification of the phone, a plastic recycling paper, a booklet, and a sticker from OnePlus. Now let us keep all this aside and let us look at the phone. Then we have the device which looks good with the glass back and is almost black in color. Now keeping the device aside, we also have an invitation letter which is from Pete. Other than this, we have the same 20-watt charger which we get in other OnePlus devices and a power cable. The phone has 6.4-inch screen which is a little bit smaller than the 7 Pro and the phone feels pretty light when holding in hand. Looking at the phone, we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone at the top. The phone also has a Corning Gorilla Glass back. On the side, we have the alert slider as well as the power on-off button, and at the bottom we have the speaker and the Type-C port. On the other side, we have a volume button as well as the SIM eject tray. At the back, we have a dual camera setup instead of the triple camera setup on the 7 Pro. And at the front, we have the same water drop notch camera setup as it has in OnePlus 6T. The phone also has an on-screen fingerprint which is very similar to 6T, but it's way faster. Now let us have an overview of the phone's configuration. This is all we get inside the box of OnePlus 7. We'll post a detailed review of OnePlus 7 very soon, so stay tuned and follow Business World.